Thousands of donuts are produced every hour in this mega factory. Watch how robots
From dough to delivery, Aukani, the donut journey begins now.
Everything starts with high-quality flour preparation.
Perfect ingredients create the perfect donut taste.
Industrial mixers prepare thousands of dough batches.
The dough is shaped into smooth, uniform sheets.
Fresh donut rings move to the frying section.
Golden frying gives donuts their classic texture.
Machines flip every donut for even cooking.
Fresh donuts cool down before decoration.
Rich chocolate glaze adds delicious flavor.
Colorful strawberry coating makes them irresistible.
Automatic sprinklers decorate every donut perfectly.
Some donuts are filled with smooth sweet cream.
Finished donuts move to packaging trays. Robots pack donuts at incredible speed.
Smart systems print labels automatically.
Sealed boxes are ready for distribution.
Thousands of boxes are stored daily. Delivery trucks transport donuts nationwide.
Fresh donuts reach stores within hours.